Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Alright y'all, Monday morning. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. A little breezy out here, kinda cold. This time we're out back with 2S power. Sun glare might be messing up this video, but you guys should be able to see it for the most part. Hopefully the cold doesn't kill the battery too bad. Well, let's get it. Okay, so let's get it in here. Sheesh. This camera is not as good as the other camera, y'all. Well, it could be the position of the sun right now. Sun might be in a bad position, y'all. Uh-oh. See if we can get it back in here. Banged out, y'all. Sheesh, I'm just banging all out now. I think I'm on a branch now. Yep. I guess I'm gonna have to get it, y'all. The walk of shame. Had to retrieve this guy from in between some branches. That's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Thanks for watching.